No, no, no. You got it. You got it.
No, don't do that.
I'm gonna put these here. So when people finally get off the freaking bridge, I can throw them at the bridge.
Jaden, you squirted me.
They got off the bridge.
No, squirted me.
They're getting the rock.
The sickest rock. That rock's so sick.
That thing is
That's a monster.
that thing is gonna break it, bro. It has to.
If you can get it off.
Yeah, we can pick it up.
I know.
Toby, if you could hold my phone, I could get that.
Yeah, give him him. I'll get the next one.
Sure, I'll hold your phone.
Hold my phone.
Get out of here.
Alright, we don't have to do that. Okay, we'll let
Get out of here. No, this is.
back up a little bit.
Honey, baby, I'm a cloud. Baby,
How about rolling?
okay. Push past.
No.
No,
it off the edge.
And everyone, at least take a foot back from the edge because that could just carry your weight.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, so. And by the way, 1 foot's generous. I told Eagle that every single rock we throw, we would be 5 feet back. That's generous.
Alright, let's go up with it now. Oh, he's moving away.
My Jaden.
Ooh,
That was kind of depressing.
that was.
That's
Did
depressing!
he get lost?
Here, James, here's your phone back. Johnny, baby, on the flat.
I see a monster rock.
The last one first, you don't?
No, we should do that.
We can get that. But it's, why? I reckon we could push that off the edge.
Not even. Yeah, we probably could push it.
Jaden.
This will shatter it.
What if this is a triangular rock and we push
That rock we could probably
it?
push off the edge. Not him. That rock right there.
James, we need you.
All right.